Welcome back. Now news from sports. I-League action may not return to Tilak Stadium anytime soon. The Sports Authority of Goa's facility in Vasco is currently undergoing major upgradation work and the contractor has asked for time until March first week. However, GFA member Savio Messias feels that even the turf needs to be relayed and hence the contractor should not work in a hurry. I-League CEO Sunando Dhar stopped short of ruling out Tilak as venue for the remainder of the season.
The football stadium was supposed to be ready for action by February, but a lot of work is still to be done. I-League CEO Sunando Dhar inspected the Tilak Stadium on Monday morning.
See, we were told by GFA and SAG that the matches in Goa would start in Tilak from February onwards. See, the ground obviously won't be ready by first week of February, which was earlier given as the deadline. I think it will take another 2, 3, 4 months time.
Season will no matches will be ready.
I don't know, that we have to check. The engineer has said that by first week of March it should be ready. So let's see what they tell us.
While SAG Assistant Engineer Elvis D'Souza says the contractor has asked for an extension and looks optimistic about the progress, former GFA Secretary Savio Messias feels that the work should not be hurried at all.
What I would suggest is let's not push the contractor and get the work done in a hurry, because the quality of ground, the quality of work will suffer. Second thing is this turf has to be relayed. To relay this turf, you have to start the work at least in the month of April or May, because in the monsoons this ground gets flooded. So let's have a proper turf. Let's give the contractor more time to lay the turf, so that in October we'll have a brilliant ground.
In such a situation, it looks unlikely that Vasco Cars in particular will get to severe I-League action here soon. A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter Goa @PrudentGoa. Or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.